Genuine Cummins ISX Overhaul. Add life to your engine. This short video will provide details on the new overhaul kit offering for Cummins ISX engines. In January 2020, Cummins released 15 new ISX overhaul kits strategically tiered to fit specific customer needs. The new kits are applicable to both 12 and 15-liter engine platforms. The following set of slides will review product details, such as included components, bundled discounts, extended coverage offering, marketing collateral, and how to look up overhaul kit part numbers. Cummins is excited to launch the new Genuine Cummins ISX Overhaul program, designed to target the largest vintage of Cummins 12 and 15-liter engines in population. The highlighted EPA 2010 and EPA 2013 hexagons represent over 370,000 engines approaching their midlife repair. Our 2020 Overhaul Kit program launch will provide a significant opportunity to deliver incremental value to these customers. Cummins' tiered set of overhaul kits provide an exceptional value proposition for our customers targeting four main attributes. Customer choice. Our tiered set of overhaul kits will allow customers to choose the right level of components to best match the engine service desired. Uptime. Each kit contains a comprehensive repair focused on the right parts for customer uptime. All components will be ordered in one box with one part number for easier quoting and inventory management. Value. The Genuine Cummins ISX Overhaul kits will provide significant value and savings to end customers. The kits will include remanufactured components and a bundled discount to minimize total cost of ownership. Peace of mind. Our National Overhaul Warranty, NOW, attractively complements the new Overhaul Kit program with a best-in-class extended coverage, including both inspected and replaced parts. To provide better value to customers, Cummins created 3 new overhaul products to replace our previous ISX Overhaul Kit, allowing customers to choose the best product for their engine service needs. Each kit level provides a comprehensive set of repair components specified by Cummins to provide service advisors with full confidence the overhauled engine will last another lifetime. Our previous overhaul kit included the following components: pistons and rings, cylinder liners, main bearings, conrod bearings, upper engine gasket set, oil pan gasket, fuel and lube filters, oil bypass valve, and a coolant thermostat. In January 2020, the Genuine Cummins ISX Overhaul program transitioned to 3 tiers of overhaul kits: the Classic, Pro, and Elite. Each kit level in the hierarchy builds on the prior level set of components. The Classic kit includes the current overhaul components, plus piston cooling nozzles and turbo studs and lock nuts. The Pro kit incrementally builds off the Classic, with a Recon cylinder head, Recon lube pump, Recon water pump, and Recon fuel pump repair. The Elite kit includes all of the components in the Pro kit, plus Recon connecting rods, Recon fuel injectors, and fuel connectors. For the past several years, Cummins has offered an ISX Overhaul Kit rebate to entice bundling of Cummins genuine parts. For control modules 570, 870, and 871, the rebate program will continue in 2020. For control modules 2250 and 2350, the rebate will be discontinued in favor of incremental savings through bundled discounts. 3 distinct product tiers specified by Cummins provide customers a clearly defined choice, lowering total cost of ownership, simplifying service quotes, and providing the right components for the right repair. The new overhaul kit offering provides significant savings realized through component bundling. Discounts are built into the invoice price of the new kit. Therefore, Cummins rebate funds are not eligible in conjunction with CM2250 and CM2350 overhaul kits. Customers purchasing the Pro and Elite kits will realize incremental savings compared to purchasing the components individually. The Pro kit will offer a 10% discount and the Elite will save nearly 14% in parts cost to the end customer. All of our genuine parts come with a standard 1-year, 100,000-mile warranty, including the new Overhaul Kits products. For those distributor and dealer locations who are certified to perform National Overhaul Warranty, or NOW overhauls, a 2-year, 200,000-mile extended coverage can be purchased when an overhaul kit and cylinder head are installed. Beginning in 2020, we have added an optional 3-year, 300,000-mile extended coverage for those customers overhauling their engines with an Elite-level kit. NOW eligibility requires the service technician to be engine certified and NOW certified. The NOW extended coverage applies to inspected and replaced parts designated on the NOW certificate and is purchased separately from the overhaul kit. Cummins marketing collateral for this product will consist of a short promotional video, counter mat, 8-page sell-in program booklet, customer brochure, and program posters. All marketing collateral can be downloaded and ordered for free at mart.cummins.com. Distributors and dealers will use their QuickServe online logon information to enter the Mart website and access marketing material for all Cummins engine families. To easily find the genuine Cummins ISX Overhaul material, use the search field and enter ISX Overhaul to filter the specific collateral for this campaign. To identify the correct Cummins Overhaul Kit part number, use the Cylinder and Overhaul Kit Lookup tool, hosted on QuickServe Online. To begin, log on to QuickServe Online and enter the customer's engine serial number on the left side of the page, under Engine Content. After QuickServe updates, click on the Parts section, and then click the Data Plate tab to find the engine's associated CPL number in the lower left corner of the data plate. Make note of the displayed CPL number. It is specific to the engine serial number entered above. To access the Cylinder and Overhaul Kit Lookup tool, within the Parts section, click on the Related Information tab and click on the link labeled Cylinder and Overhaul Kits. When the Cylinder and Overhaul Kit window opens, enter the engine's CPL number and click Next to display the appropriate overhaul kit part numbers available. If you encounter issues with the tool, please use the QuickServe's Help Desk function or call your local Cummins distributor branch for assistance. Genuine Cummins ISX Overhaul. Add life to your engine. Marketing collateral is available on mart.cummins.com, and new overhaul kit numbers can be found on QuickServe Online via the Overhaul Kit Lookup tool. If further assistance is needed, please contact your local Cummins service branch.